I've been swamped with work all day. I'm too tired to cook. Maybe I should just order takeout. I'm ordering takeout right now, ordering my favorite pork intestine rice noodles and a glass of iced lemon tea. As usual, I'll leave a note for the delivery guy. Please leave the food at my door. No need to knock or call. I'm at work. Oh, I almost forgot. I bought a new desk lamp online yesterday, and it should arrive today. I've been wanting to add a warm light to my living room, so I'm really looking forward to it. Hello? Hi. Yes, that's my food. What? You left it at Unit 2? Oh no, I live in Unit 3, Room 302, not Unit 2. Could you please bring it over? Thank you so much, no rush. Oops, he mixed up the unit. That's just how it is living in an apartment building. Easy to mix up. Hello? Yes, I'm the recipient. Can't find my door? I'm in Unit 3, Room 302. It's the third unit on the first floor, with a small potted plant outside the door. Just leave the package next to the potted plant. Thank you. I'm really hungry now. Great. I'll go get it right away. Okay, both the takeout and the package are here. Finally. Wait, this isn't what I ordered. I got dumplings instead of rice noodles. Oh no, they messed up my order. Hello. This is from Unit 3, Room 302 who called earlier. You sent me the wrong order. I ordered pork intestine rice noodles, but I got dumplings instead. Okay, that's fine. Please send the correct one as soon as possible. I'll be waiting. Oh no, the lamp is broken. I'll take some photos of the damaged lamp and send them to the customer service. There we go. I've sent the photos. Even small troubles can be solved calmly. It must be the correct takeout.
I'm so sorry, it's my mistake. I kept you waiting. This is your order. Please don't file a complaint against me.
It's okay. I totally get it. It's normal to mix up an order sometimes. I won't complain. Don't worry. What a day. But it's all worth it. Slow down. Take care of yourself, and everything will be okay.